In front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll to tap on Privacy Protection available here. Now, scroll again to tap on All Permissions and pick one you wanna manage, like Camera. Then select an app under one of those sections. In case of Camera, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's go with Booking.com from not allowed one. Now apply any of those options by clicking on the one you want to. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to go with this one, so when I go back to check it out, I can see that Booking.com gained access to my camera when I'm using my app. But you can also pick any feature and find an app you wanna manage instead. Like for example, let's click on microphone only to manage our Google. Now tap on tiny text at the bottom, see all permissions, and manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!